Vincent. They got Vincent.
I'm sorry. I know he was your friend. What are you gonna do next?
All the victims were Sun On Yee. All had an organ removed, cut right out of them. You're right, this isn't just about murder.
Mrs. Chu?
你知冇啊 ？Sammy 佢細個嗰陣，佢每日都喺呢個廚房度食嘢，坐喺嗰度靜靜地食飯。而家佢會做出咁樣嘅嘢。
Sammy?
Dog eyes.
Dog eyes did it. Is that what Johnny told you?
幾多錢都唔值得。阿威啊，呢種生意會令人黐線嘅。我叫 Winston， 係我錯㗎，我鼓勵佢。而家揾佢，帶佢嚟呢度。
Crazy on this one, way. Guys, watch it!
Check it, loud. What is this shit?
This shit? The fuck you think it is, huh?
Hey, man, stop messing around.
What the fuck, man? Let's work something out here, okay?
Ew, they don't run high.
Dog eyes.
Oh, shit! Move! Come and get me, huh? You little mama! Hey, you suck off Winston before he died? Huh, Wei? Or were you just kissing and feeling each other up, huh? Mimi, she wasn't shy like that. No, you flashed a little dope and the panties disappeared.
Whoa!
Anything happens to me, Big Smiley is going to send Tom to ask questions. You got it, Wei? Huh?
What's going on?
Duke, get down to the docks. I'm gonna need a pickup now.
Got it. On my way.
You don't know what you're messing with, shit, huh? You're gonna get yourself killed, man.
你有冇格交啊？
Give it up, you fuck. It's Wei. Kill that fucking guy, huh?
我哋好耐㗎啦。
You're gonna start screaming, Wei. Huh? stupid shit, huh? You're gonna get yourself killed, man.
我保證你即刻冇命。
You don't understand what's going on, man. Come on. Get it up, you fuck. Break his fingers.
等我話你知咩叫眼字啊！
Suffer. Hit him in the neck. Get him! Get him now!
佢點走？依留咗位未啊？我要殺咗你！幫我收緊佢哋！睇唔睇到啊？冇！哇！你睇唔睇到啊？ 我揼撚死佢！捉到啊！仆死撚緊啊！我揼撚死佢！你贏唔到我㗎啦，廢柴！
What the fuck you want, man?
You've done some bad things, Sammy.
What did you call me? Huh? Nobody call me that anymore. This is about me balling your fucking sister, isn't it? Huh? You gotta be fucking kidding me, man. Wake up, little brother. It's not like I put that needle in her arm. You can't take this stuff personally, Wei. It was business. You know what I'm saying?
Not to me, it wasn't.
Look, if you don't like it, you take it up with Big Smiley. He's the one who needs the pussy. I was doing my job. Fuck, man. Is this what this is all about?
Yeah, and Winston, and Peggy.
Fuck!
You're coming with me.
Look, maybe we can cut a deal. All right, stop all this shit, man. And I'll make sure that Big Smiley cuts you in on one of the side business. Maybe the fucking whole damn thing. I mean, hey, we could be generous, okay? Yeah, he's gonna be the future chairman of the fucking Song Yi.
Yeah? You and Big Smiley are pretty close, huh?
Yeah, we're tight, like motherfucking brothers.
Me and Winston, we were tight too.
Get him! Get him now! Oh yeah, your time, boys. Make it suffer. Get it up, you fuck! Yeah, get it up, huh? I can do this all night.
Listen, you're gonna regret this.
Wait! Wait up! The car's over here! What's going on?
We're bringing him to Mrs. Chu. She has something she wants to tell him.
Mrs. Chu, all right. We could take care of this ourselves.
Believe me, I'm tempted. But you and me handle this and it'll happen fast. This son of a bitch deserves the worst we can give him.
You're the boss, Wei. You think we're weird of them?
We'll see. Some good driving there.
Thanks, man.
What the fuck you doing, huh? Wait!
Sit down and shut the fuck up.
Jesus, I haven't been here in fucking years.
Sammy 啊，我為咗你一路開住個廚房，你睇我留埋啲骨喺裏面，你中意噶嘛？係咪
It's
啊？
cool, Mrs. Chu. I already ate.
你同我食晒佢，食咗佢。
Wait, hey! What the fuck are you doing? I'm not fucking hungry! Oh!
Sammy，你避下我面，我特登為你做噶，唔使驚。唔係淨係你一個人，你個朋友 Johnny 啊，老鼠仔佢都喺度啊！
What the fuck? He's crazy!
佢而家大湯裏面，懷 者我將你放喺煲湯裏
Wait,
面。
if you have a problem with me, then let's sort it out ourselves, okay? We don't need to bring her into this.
Sorry. It's nothing personal. Just business.
Oh, God. I'm sorry, please. Please, no.
抵得俾你。
Maybe we can cut it there. All right, stop all this. Wait, if you have a problem with me, then let's sort it out ourselves. Oh, God. I'm sorry, please. No. Fuck.
Daughter is single.
I say she's single, that means she's single. You got rocks in your head?
No, I just saw her with Danny. I don't think they broke it up.
What kind of man?
Do you have a car in here? I used to drive one of those. Then I lost my job. And, well, long story short, here I am.
睇住啊！
Tradition calls for us to select a temporary chairman until you are well, Uncle. A man who would continue as you would wish. If they were brazen enough to attack a wedding, we have to assume 18K will be coming after us.
I know that you are right. Wei, my boy.
Uncle, you're okay.
Thanks to you. Sister Jiang told me about the troubles between you and Big Smile Lee here. You must stop this fight at once. We must be united against our true enemies.
Yes, of course, Uncle Po.
Good. Pak Mak, see to it that Wei is formally initiated. He's been a loyal foot soldier to the Sun Han Yi. It's time to make him a red pole.
Your initiation is young Leong. He has been selling to schoolgirls and was ordered to stop. He switched to the 18K instead. Make an example of him.
Thank you. I will.
If any of your people have not been properly initiated, bring them with you. Uncle, we still need to decide who will lead us.
What about you, Pak Mak? You are my greatest friend. You know my wishes better than anyone. Would you not take my place?
No, Uncle. I am your advisor. I cannot lead in your place.
So, if not you, who then?
Chu Chin Sao. He is your true nephew, your blood, 你嘅接待人. Who better to preserve your wishes and keep the family together?
Tu Qian, can you handle this responsibility? Temporary chairman?
Yes, Uncle. I am ready and grateful for the opportunity.
Pak Mak, see that it is done.
Jackie, this way. Where are you?
Getting a massage, man. Let me tell you, the girls here are...
Listen, I got some news. I'm on my way over. We got an errand to run. See you in a few minutes.
我奶奶對我好好㗎。我係一個保險，小出賣你嘅細路冇晒。你真係你嘅屍體自我屍體，我頂你個肺，諗住同你過。
Jackie, you're gonna love this.
What's going on, Wei?
Well, you're about to become a full member of the Sun On Yi.
Fuck me! Are you sure?
100%.
Yeah, baby! Fucking did it, yeah! Oh, don't worry about it, my man. It'll be your turn soon.
Jackie, they're making me a red pole.
What? Holy shit, Wade! Holy fucking shit!
Well, Jackie, the dream finally comes true.
No shit. Hey, wait. Don't think I don't appreciate it. I know it wouldn't have been possible without you.
No problem, Jackie.
Man, you want to get a massage before we go? My treat. Come on, man. Best way to celebrate. You won't believe what these girls can do.
Then he said that if I stuff my panties in his mouth, he pay me extra.
So what did you do?
I put them in there, lor. He loved it.
Hey there, you want a little relief? So what's the problem?
Every time he asks me for something, I push the price
Why
up.
don't we break it out
Once
and
he
see
had
what
my nasty
happens?
little undies in there, he couldn't talk lah.
So he couldn't order more?
Exactly. I could have drowned him.
So what's this errand?
It's part of our initiation. You know this guy?
Holy shit! You're just one of us, Wade. Came up in all prosperity just like you and me.
Well, he's been dealing a kid. They ordered him to stop a couple of times.
Okay. They tell you much about the ceremony?
Just that we're in it.
We're brothers after that. Man, Sun On Yi brothers.
Yeah.
Hey, what? I went out with you May the other day.
Finally asked her out, huh? So how'd it go?
Man, I made her laugh so hard. I read that somewhere, that if you make a girl laugh, she'll fall in love with you.
I think if you're funny, she'll fall for you.
Same thing, isn't it?
So soon looks up at me with my big eyes and says, Daddy, little Gina will do anything for him.
Hey, where's Young?
想搞事啊，仆街！係時候做嘢啦！哇！乜撚嘢啊？哇！哇！咁睇到啊！依然留咗位未啊？嗱，後後我哋放過嚟而家。哎呀！屌睇撚見你個撚咗我。
Hey, we need to talk to you.
屌你啊！
Uncle Po sent us.
我冇嘢搞啊！我冇嘢做啦！唔好意思啊！唔好意思啊！我唔會做嘅，我下次唔做嘅。
Jackie, let's go. Jackie, let's go. Come on. Let's move.
You okay?
I don't know, man. I've never... Shit, Wade, I've never done that before.
I know.
Was it... I don't know, my hands are shaking, man.
Look, take a breath, Jackie. Breathe, man.
Did you see the look in the guy's eyes? I didn't expect it to be like that. I always thought about how it looked. I didn't know how it made me feel, you know? You feel it in my stomach. Shit, Wade.
Calm down. Look, it'll wear off, okay?
Is it done?
It's done.
Good, good. Brothers, from today forward, your lives will be forever changed. Because today you are my brothers. We're bound to each other by blood, sworn to protect each other to the death if necessary. With our brotherhood comes duty. You will obey our leader in all things, and you will show your brothers respect always. With our brotherhood comes power. The Sun On Yi does not die. The Sun On Yi does not forget. It rewards its sons with wealth, status, and honor. It protects their businesses and their families. It cares for their children as if they were their own. Our brotherhood pays our enemies with pain, suffering, and death. And none suffers more than a traitor. Betray your brothers, and you will die 1,000 times over, slowly, in the dark. The Sun On Yi and the gods themselves will burn your soul from your body and crush the ashes with our heels. There are 32 oaths. With them, you are bound together. With them, you become Sun On Yi. Are you ready to begin?
I read your report.
I'm flattered. Was it a slow day or something?
Pendrew's very impressed. I'm not gonna lie, I'm sort of impressed too. He wants you to dig around, see what you can find on Sunny Woe. Says it's a priority.
I read about it. I mean, he reps entertainers, dabbles in porn with allegedly some human trafficking mixed in. Well, why go after him? He's not Sun On Yi.
To bring down the Sun On Yi, we have to take down the people who support them, cut off their revenue sources, dismantle the network. This is how we hit him where it hurts. Sunny's revenue stream is massive, and a lot of it flows to Sun On Yi.
I'll see what I can do, Raymond.
By the way, you hear anything about Dog Eyes? He seems to have disappeared.
Haven't heard a thing.
Oh, before I forget, Jackie Mao, we're taking him in.
Jackie?
From what I read in your reports, he'll be a good source of info, and it won't be hard to make him talk. We'll need you to set him up for us.
That makes no sense. He's nobody.
He's a criminal, Wei. You're a cop. I hate to be a broken record, but it sounds like you're getting attached.
I'm not getting attached. I'm not a fucking idiot, okay? He's part of my cover. He brought me in. He's the one who vouched for me.
And now you're so high up, you don't need him. He's outlived his usefulness, so we're bringing him in.
I'm taking this up with Pendrew.
This came from Pendrew.
Taking him in accomplishes nothing, and it makes my job harder. I'm not doing it.
You don't have a choice, all right? It's a direct order.
Yeah? Direct order? Well, that's an order you can shove directly up your ass, Raymond.
We want the Red Pulls, the lieutenants like Winston.
Open your eyes, Raymond. I am Winston now.
That's what worries me, Wei. You're one of them.
Jackie, how's it going?
Wait, man, good thing you called, man. I got something, man. This could be big for us.
You still got that plan you were talking about?
Yeah. You in? We could go tonight. Drop by my place and I'll tell you all about it. Oh, bring a car, okay? Mine's in the shop.
You want fresh fish?
Impressive. Very impressive.
What, can I help you?
Hey, Jackie.
Let's head to Kennedy Town. I'll explain on the way.
So what's the plan?
We're going down to the shipyard. 18K are bringing in a big shipment of jewelry. Goods from a big heist they pulled in the States. I guess they'll figure it'll be easier to sell here. I hear it's good stuff. Diamonds, rubies. Could be a good payday.
Yeah, could be. Listen, you sure you want to do this? Maybe you should take a few days off. You don't look so good.
I haven't been sleeping too well. Not since that thing.
Yeah?
Every time I close my eyes, I see that guy.
Damn.
Not that he didn't deserve it, I guess. It's just... Man, I don't know. Whoa! Ah! That's why I want this job. Whoa! What? Nothing.
So how's Jumae?
She's good. She's good. I haven't talked to her in a while.
Come on, Jackie. She was your dream girl.
Just wait till it gets darker. Here, put this on. Yeah. Hey, wait. You ever think about what you're going to do after this?
After what?
All this. I mean, you're not exactly cut out for anything else.
I guess not. You always have options, Jackie.
You think so? I don't know, Way. The jewels are in the van over there by the container.
What if it's locked?
No problem. There are heavy-duty tools in the shed just over there. You get the tools, I'll scout the containers. Meet me there when you have something to cut the lock.
Yeah, so? Who's that guy?
18K, who the hell are you?
Okay. Excuse me.
Hey, who are you? Hey, keep your voice down. I'm sneaking into that warehouse up there and you're making way too much noise. If you don't shut the hell up, I'll have to slit your fucking throat.
Oh, sorry. You won't hear me again.
jewels are in the van over there by the container.
Okay, this thing should cut through any. Is anyone around?
Yeah, man, a couple of 18K guys. They're not armed, though. Let's go.
Yeah, fuckers!
Shit, Jackie, you sure they're here?
Yes, trust me, okay? What the? Hey! Hey, go get them, Wei. Fuck them. Try the next one, man. Great work, man. We got him, man. Okay.
Wait, hold on.
What the?
Get back here, you little shit!
Fuck!
Help me, Wei!
Come on! Eat some asphalt, asshole.
Jackie!
Eat this, okay? How you like that, huh? Cocksucker!
Let's go fence this stuff. It's the usual place. Fat Wallet Lamb Shop. Let's go. I thought that was it for me.
I wouldn't leave you, Jackie.
I know. Just damn way.
No matter what happens, Jackie, I won't leave you behind. I'll always come back for you.
Hey, thanks, Wei. Wouldn't be here without you, man. I know it. I'll always appreciate it.
I should be doing a better job getting you back.
It's just not your fault, Wei. I'm thinking about a lot of things. Rethinking them, maybe. But not our friendship. Bad things that have happened, they're my responsibility. I know that.
Shit, Jack.
It's okay, Wei. You don't gotta say anything. We're friends, man. We're friends. Let's do it. Follow me.
Don't move. You're under arrest.
Where are the others?
Just me, boys. Just me.
You piece of shit.
Let's see, poke guy.